10 forms of the divine feminine. They are terrifying, beautiful, and wise. But why did they appear? Where did they come from? This is the story of the origin of the 10 Mahavidyas. Once upon a time, King Daksha prepared a great yajna. He invited all the gods and divine beings, except for his daughter Sati and her husband Shiva. Daksha disapproved of Shiva. To him, Shiva was wild and impure. Certainly not the dignified son-in-law he wanted. Shiva was indifferent, but Sati wanted to attend the ceremony. She told Shiva she would go anyway, but Shiva forbade her. And that's when the goddess transformed. Her eyes blazed red, her limbs trembled, her voice thundered through the cosmos. Before Shiva could react, she became something ancient and fierce. Hair disheveled, skin glowing like million suns, a garland of severed heads around her neck. Shiva tried to flee in fear, but wherever he turned, another form of her appeared. To trap him within her presence, she filled the universe with 10 radiant aspects of herself. These were the Mahavidyas. She stood in all directions, Kali in the south, Tara above, Chinnamasta to the west, Bhuvaneshwari to the east, Baglamukhi behind him in the north, Dhumavati in the southeast, Tripurasundari in the southwest, Matangi in the northwest, Shodashi in the northeast, and Kamala radiant in all directions. Shiva froze, overwhelmed. He asked, "Where is my Sati?" She replied, "Do you not see? I am all of them." This is not just a myth. This story reveals how all 10 are forms of the same Supreme Shakti, expressions of the ultimate truth. For centuries, these goddesses were invoked in places few dared to go, in the cremation grounds, forests, and the edges of the reality itself. But how do we approach them today? Now, the wilderness has moved within. You don't need to sit on ashes or wander without direction. For those who seek a path, the Sadhana app offers structure, guidance, and sacred practices rooted in tradition. If you feel called to experience the Mahavidyas, the link is in the description. In the next episode, we'll explore each Mahavidya in depth, their iconography, inner meaning, and how they help us dissolve the illusion.